Hey guys, Jake and Rick here. So for today's video, I just want to talk about how I become a freelancer and how you can become a freelancer too. So just a quick background about me. I'm currently an incoming fourth year student of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. And prior to freelancing, I'm a service crew in one of the famous fast food chain here in the Philippines. And after that, I resigned and I applied as a technical support representative in one of the contact centers in South, in Alabama, Northgate. So if you're from the South, hey, what's up guys? I started freelancing way back in 2019 as a freelance graphic designer. I do some basic photo and video editing. I focus more on vector arts with some business logo creation or business logo designs. And yeah, that's how I started freelancing. That was way back 2019, 2020, somewhere in between. So right now, I'm currently a real estate virtual assistant. My role includes cold calling, SMS or text blasting, administrative tasks, some basic admin tasks like data entry, and some market research for marketing campaigns. So that's what I basically do now. I cold call property owners in the US and ask them if they're interested in selling their property or they do have a property that they want to sell. So let's go ahead and talk about how you can become a freelancer too. Para makapag-start ka ng freelancing, you just need to be conversational in English. Di naman kailangan na fluent ka ng sobra kasi di naman sila ganun ka-strict when it comes to grammar and pronunciation, as long as naiintindihan ka nila. And yeah, for the second part, you need to have a skill. You have to look for a niche that will suit your skills and your experience kasi yun yung i-offer mo sa clients para i-hire ka nila. And you have to create a portfolio about your niche, about your previous clients, testimonials, something. I'm going to create a video about how you can create a portfolio as a freelancer pretty soon, maybe next week. And third, you have to have a working laptop or computer. Especially most of the clients in the US requires us to do like 2 to 3 jobs at the same time. So multitask is really inevitable when you're freelancing or when you're doing freelance. And what I suggest is you can try to find an Intel i3 processor with the 8 gig of RAM. And I think that's the minimum the specification when it comes to working laptop or computer. Most clients requires at least 8 i3 and 8 GB RAM. Lastly, you need to create your onlinejobs.ph or your Upwork profile because most of the clients look for employees or virtual assistants in online jobs or in Upwork. But you can also find clients in LinkedIn, Instagram, and some other social media platforms, Facebook. And yeah, your profile should be optimized. So you need to fill out all the information, verify your account with your email and your payment information. Hindi naman siya required, pero try nyo i-take yung mga test dun sa onlinejobs.ph for more chances of winning, So when the clients look at your profile, it's optimized and they will have an idea of what skills you can offer or what skills you have for them to hire you. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna make another video on how I created my portfolio as a freelancer in next week siguro. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. So if you have more questions about freelancing, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer them to the best of my knowledge. So that's all guys. Just want to make this video short because it's Sunday and it's my rest day today. I want to sleep because I just finished my shift. And yeah, hope you like this video. Comment down below your questions and please support the channel by hitting subscribe and the post notification bell. So I'm out guys. Peace.